In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a student discount on Apple products. So if you are a student and you want to get some products from Apple that will help with your education, here's what we want to do. Just search for student discount Apple, and you want to open up the first link that pops up here. So you will be able to see all the different products which are available with student discounts. So if it has this little icon with the hat, then it means that there's a student discount available. And also we can scroll down and read some more information about it. So for example, let's say that we want to get an iPad Air. If we click on it, then here it's going to show us all of the different versions of the iPad Air, but I will just go back and I'll show you with the MacBook. So if we select MacBook, it's gonna load up the different versions of the MacBook itself. So we have the 13-inch, the 13-inch M3 chip, and the 15-inch. And here you will see your education savings. So if you have this section education savings, then that means that this is the student discount, and you get 3% daily cash with Apple Card. So let's say we want to purchase this Apple product. We will just click on select here. Then here you will see the delivery options, and we'll click on add to bag. And afterwards, if we go and we review our bag here, the student discount should automatically be applied if we use this method for payments. So we have 0% APR, and we can also add Apple Care for this. And again, it's gonna automatically apply the education savings here. And then, like I said, we can proceed with Apple Card monthly installments with 0% APR, that is the student discount, or we can pay in full here the amount. And that's basically how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.